Steve Dischler. I'm the President and CEO of Quaterra Resources. Quaterra is a mining exploration and development company. We're dual listed on the Toronto Venture Exchange as QTA and on the OTCQX as a QTRRF. A little bit about me. My background is in mining engineering. I've been in the business for about 35 years, and we're focused on our Yerington, Nevada copper projects to get those into the next stage. Recently we've been focusing on our Yerington, Nevada projects, and about 18 months ago we really reset our strategy for the company in response to a difficult market. And so that involved selling our non-Yerington assets and also really focusing on efficiency of our operations. In addition to that, we thought, given the size and complexity of Yerington, that it would make sense to have a strategic partner to help us with acceleration of our exploration and development there. And so in last year, about a year ago, we entered into an option agreement with Freeport Nevada, a subsidiary of Freeport-McMoRan, to help us with our Yerington projects. Well, several things come to mind that, in my view, make Quaterra stand out from some of our others in our industry. First, I think we've got a very good set of assets in Yerington, Nevada. We've got a large land position. We have 3 known copper resources there, significant water rights, and so we have a great asset base to start from. We also have several untested exploration targets on our large land position there, so I think we have a great asset base. Second of all, I think what sets us apart is the fact that we have that option agreement in place with a major producing copper company. That essentially allows us to get through a feasibility study at Yerington without any further participation by our shareholders. And then thirdly, it's our people. On our management team, we've got Tom Patton, who has experience and a track record of bringing projects from discovery into a major producing mine. And then we also have just an outstanding set of staff people in our Yerington office that have stuck with us through thick and thin. And they're very loyal, and because of that, I think we are really poised for success. So it's the quality of our assets in Yerington, it's the fact that we've got a major company interested in us, and it's our people. Yes, I think Milestones really create a focus for us and a roadmap. And for us, just recently, last week, we announced that Freeport Nevada has gone to the second stage of the agreement with us, and that's an important milestone. We're going to be commencing drilling on the Bear deposit, which is a known mineralized area in our district. It's a very large system. It has historic drilling in it, and it's part of a big district. So we want to begin drilling in the third quarter of this year, July or August, shortly. We're also doing some exploratory geophysical work on our ground there. We will be presenting our drill results as we get them through next year. And then lastly, we want to finish the sale of our Nieves Silver Project in Mexico. We entered into an agreement back in December of 2014 for the sale of that, and the payments are coming in over the next 12 months. Everybody has an opinion about global prices, commodity prices. I think we are in a low point in the natural resource cycle, the metal cycle, if you will. And for me, to keep it real simple, it really comes down to patience. The cycle time for these projects from discovery to production is very long. I've heard as much as 20 years. Just being in the game when the cycle comes back. And just by way of example, I read the other day an article where one of the original investors in Apple sold his 10% stock in 1976 for $800. Today that would be worth some $58 billion. So being in the game and positioned for when things come back takes patience and perseverance.